close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
More than 50 years after the launch of the original Range Rover in 1970, the new Range has emerged with a choice of 2 wheelbases, 3 seating layouts, and 4 engine types, including the powerful 390 kilowatts BMW 4.4-liter V8 petrol engine, a powerful 6-cylinder 375 kilowatts plug-in hybrid powertrain with an extended 100 kilometers range, and a high-performance SV model will be unveiled to Aussie showrooms later in 2022. Order books for the latter model will open on the 27th of January 2022. The top-spec LWB autobiography models also come with heated, cooled and 24-way massage front seats and reclined backrests, heated and ventilated rear seats, and even heated third-row seats. Once again poised to compete with the Mercedes-Benz GLS, BMW X7 and even more exclusive SUVs like the Bentley Bentayga, the new Range Rover brings a host of luxury and other technological advancements made possible by the new MLA Flex platform architecture. A new twin-spoke steering wheel and curved center screen are standard features. New design. What is most striking, however, is the new, suave exterior design that will not alienate Range Rover loyalists, thanks to its familiar front and side profiles, but gives the big British SUV a more modern look. Terms such as simplicity and precision were spoken of by Range Rover designers, and the vehicle's sculpted look is accompanied by tighter lid lines and smoother integration of bodywork and solid glass along the sides. The design is claimed to be free from excessive ornamentation and the clamshell hood that adorns all the rest of the previous Ranges. Sophisticated LED headlights with a new look fire up wake mode as you approach the vehicle, while new pop-out door handles and optional power-operated doors add a bit of interactive bling. The new 2022 Range Rover is bigger and more sophisticated. Riding a 75mm longer wheelbase, or now 2,997mm, the regular Range Rover measures 5,052mm, from bumper to bumper, while the long wheelbase model has a wheelbase of 200mm longer than before, or now 3,197mm, and measures 5,252mm in total. The longer side profile is still clearly a Range Rover, but the rear design tries something a little different. It's described as a boat tail motif and has some neat features like recessed LED taillights and windshield wipers tucked under the roof spoiler. However, the tailgate splits back for active duty and even features an impromptu folding bench seat with cushions so you can sit in the trunk with your legs dangling. Chief designer Jerry McGovern said the design would challenge expectations and push boundaries. The entry-level variant uses 21-inch alloy wheels, while 23-inch, large wheels will be available and 20-inch, smaller ones are offered as an option at no cost. The tailgate splits back and the trunk floor folds into a bench. New interiors. The 13.1-inch curved, bezel-less, floating infotainment touchscreen blends in with the new dashboard display and runs Land Rover's latest P530 Pro operating system, including wireless Apple and Android phone pairing, wired Baidu CarLife integration, and built-in Alexa voice control. Combined with a 12-inch digital instrument cluster, a two-spoke steering wheel with a new look, and a wide selection of open porous wood veneers and metal finishes in a clean cab design with fewer buttons. Digital mirrors are also offered, and the front seats have deeper side bolsters and can be upholstered in traditional cowhide or eco-leather trim. Range Rover considers its state-of-the-art model also one of the quietest SUVs in the world, thanks to new noise-canceling technology that incorporates an exterior microphone paired with backrest speakers, head in the world's first chair to eliminate certain frequencies. The double-glazed windows also help make this British brand's SUV the quietest and smoothest to date. Countless combinations of wood and metal interiors are offered. Of course, there's also an arm's length list of options, including the hot stone massage front seats for $16,000 and even the satin icy white paint for $20,550. The new Rangy can be had in 4-seat, 5-seat and, for the first time, 7-seater configurations. Depending on the model or option installed, all seats can be heated and powered by power, plus USB ports for each row, including a 60-watt USB-C port in the second row that provides enough power to charge laptops without a power pack. The second row of the long wheelbase Range Rovers is equipped with powerful footrests, reclining seatbacks offering up to 1 meter of legroom, and even a power-operated folding workbench.
And we'll grow in numbers.